So we'll be moving on with the 10th question of your book back exercise problem in the unit number 1, electrostatics. So the question is, a point charge of plus 10 microcoulomb is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from another identical point charge plus 10 microcoulomb. A point charge of minus 2 microcoulomb is moved from point A to B as shown in the figure. Calculate the change in potential energy of the system and interpret your result. So they have given the diagram here. So see that one point charge which is 10 microcoulomb and the other point charge 10 microcoulomb which is separated by the distance of 20 centimeter, and this 20 centimeter is such a way that it is you are having another one point charge minus 2 microcoulomb. It is moved from the point A to B, and this 20 centimeter is split as like this. The distance between A and the first charge Q1 is 5 centimeter and A to the charge Q2 is 15 centimeter, and the distance between A to B is 5 centimeter. This is all given in the figure. So what you have to find is change in the potential energy. So change in potential energy del U is nothing but my work done in moving the charge from point A to point B. So my work done is nothing but Q into the potential value. So the potential value is here moving from charge A to B. So it is change in potential. Work done is nothing but the charge into change in potential. So change in potential is potential at the final point B minus potential at the initial point A. So I am moving this charge minus 2 microcoulomb from A to B. So first we have to find the potential value at B separately, the potential value at A separately. So we know that the potential formula V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R, and this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is simply 9 into 10 to the power 9 into my charge Q by R. This is the formula for potential value. So with this potential formula we have to find the value at B and at the potential value at the position A. So potential value should be with respect to the charges here. So we have to find for each of the cases. For VA we have to find the at point A the potential V due to the charge first Q1 and also due to the charge Q2, and you have to add up. So at the total potential at A will be the potential at the charge A due to the charge Q1 plus the potential value at A due to the charge Q2. And similarly the potential value at B should be potential of B due to charge 1 plus potential of B due to charge 2. So you have to find this and then substitute it here. So we'll first derive the value of potential at A. For that it should be potential at A due to charge 1 plus potential at A due to charge 2. The potential formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. And for the first case, for A1 it is due to the charge Q1. So Q1 by R, R1, that is R1 to A, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into for A2 it is at the point A due to the charge Q2. So it is Q2 by R2A, from charge 2 to A the distance. So the distance R2A is 15 and R1A is 5, and the charge value is same for both the cases. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common, just take it outside. So here the Q1 value is Q2 value, both are one and the same 10 microcoulomb, which can be written as 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. And then R1A value is 5 centimeter, which is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. And R2A the value is 15 centimeter, which is 15 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So substitute all the values here. It is, I've taken this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught outside, so it is q1 by r1a plus q2 by r2a. Just substitute the values now. So this value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is simply 10 into 10, 9 into 10 to the power 9. And for q1, 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by r12 is, r1a is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus q2 is again 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by r2a is 15 into 10 to the power minus 2. So when you solve this, it is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 5 2 times. So it is 2 into, bring this 2 to the numerator, 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power plus 2. Add up the powers, it will become 10 to the power minus 4 plus, for this it is 0.67 into 10 to the power minus 4. So when you multiply all these values, it is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into, when you multiply all these values, it is so it is 24.03 into 10 to the power 5 volt or joule per coulomb. So this is the potential value, total potential value at A. Now you have to go for the potential value at B. So for this you have to find for finding the potential at B. For finding the potential at B, it is again 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R. Here it is Q1 and from 1 to B, the distance is from 1 to B. For the second case, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q2 by R to B. So the distance between the 1 and B is this one, and from distance between 2 to B is this side. We don't have the values for this side, and you have to calculate with the right angle triangle formula. So for this triangle, we know that we know that this is 5 centimeter and here it is 5 centimeter. You have to find the hypotenuse value. For a right angle triangle, adjacent side square plus opposite side square is equal to my hypotenuse square is what we know. So this is adjacent, and so it is 5 square plus 5 square, which is equal to hypotenuse square. So 25 plus 25 is equal to, hypotenuse is this one, that is the distance between R1B whole square. So it is 50 is equal to R1B whole square. We need only R1B. So take square root on both sides. Square and square root will get cancelled off. Then it is root 50. This can be written as 25 into 2. So simply root of 25 is 5 and root of 2 is root 2. So it is 5 root 2 centimeter. For this side, it is 5 root 2 centimeter. Similarly, for the other triangle, this part of the triangle, I am going to find this side. So for the other part of the triangle, you have this one as 15 centimeter. Here it is 5 centimeter. You have to find the hypotenuse. So again, it is same formula. Adjacent side square plus opposite side square equal to hypotenuse square. So adjacent side is 5 square plus 15 square is equal to my R1B square. R2B square. So 5 square is 25 plus 15 square is 225 is equal to R2B square. So when you add up, it is 250, which is equal to R2B square. I want only R2B, so take square root on both sides. Square and square root will get cancelled off. Then R2B value will be root of 25 with 250, which can be written as 25 into 10. So this would be root of 25 is 5 and root 10 as such. So this would be 5 root 10 centimeter. So this distance is 5 root 10 centimeter. Now we have found the distance and we know the charge value. Go for this potential value formula. So here you have Q1 value and Q2 value is same as what we had. It is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and R1B is nothing but 5 root 2 centimeter, that is 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and then R2B, which is 5 root 10 centimeter, which can be written as 5 root 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So substitute all the values here in the formula. You will be getting VB is equal to, take this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught outside. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R1B. So for Q1 by R1B plus Q2 by R2B. Substitute the values. It is, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 5 root 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. So when you solve this, the value is 8.141 into 10 to the power 5 volt or joule per coulomb. So this is my VB value. We have got VA value and VB value now. So we have to go for the first equation to find the potential and change in potential energy formula. So we have to calculate the change in potential energy formula, and the formula is del U is equal to, which is my work done, which is equal to Q into VB minus VA. And we have the VB value as, we have found the VB value as 18.414 into 10 to the power 5 volt or joule per coulomb, and the value of VA as 24.03 into 10 to the power 5 volt. So the charge Q is this one, this charge minus 2 microcoulomb, because this is what we are going to move from point A to B, and this work is done on this charge. So the charge value is minus 2 microcoulomb, which is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Substitute all the values here. So del U is equal to minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into, so it is VB minus VA. VB value is 18.414 into 10 to the power 5 minus 24.03 into 10 to the power 5. So yeah, so when you minus this one, it is, this one is the larger value. So 24.03 minus 18.414, you get the answer as 5. So as this one is having minus here, so it is minus 5.616 into 10 to the power 5 into minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Add up the power here. It is minus 2 into 5.6 minus 5.6, minus 2 into minus 5.616 into 10 to the power minus 6, 5. So it is 10 to the power minus 1. So when you multiply this, 5 into 2, 10. It will be around 11232 into 10 to the power minus 1, and you have to have the decimal after 3 digits, 1 2 3. So it is 11.232 into 10 to the power minus 1. This can be 11.232 divided by 10, that is 1.12 joules. So this is the potential energy value for this case.